So question 1, divide the given rectangle into 6 equal parts in a different ways. So here one rectangle is there, different rectangles are given and we are supposed to equal 6 part we are supposed to do. Now first one, this is rectangle. So first of all, 6 centimeter is there in book and here 3 centimeter is there. According to that we will do, so 6 equal parts of a rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is a rectangle having 6 equal parts. Now next is, here is rectangle. 6 equal parts we are supposed to do. So 1, 2 and we will draw a line over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. From same rectangle we have divided into 6 equal parts. One more I will show you. This is a rectangle. Now again we will do 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again 6 equal parts we have done over here. Now last one. This is again a rectangle. First of all we will do 3 equal parts and then 1, 2 and 3. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here also a rectangle having 6 different parts. So the question, divide the given rectangle into 6 equal different parts. We have done 4 rectangles are there. Different way, 4 different way we have done equal parts of a rectangle, that is 6 equal parts of a rectangle. Okay, so now next question is, divide the given square into 4 equal parts in different ways. So what we are supposed to do? Square is given and we are supposed to do equal parts of 4. So now we will start. This is a square. What we are supposed to do? 4 equal parts. So easily we can do 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second one we can do. This is a square. 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This also we can do. One more. So this is a square. Here we are supposed to do equal part. In this way we can do 1, 2, 3 and 4. And last one. This is a square equal part. So we can do 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So as we have done equal part 6 of a rectangle, here we have done equal part of a square, 4 equal part. So as we have done rectangle and square, here we are supposed to do, divide the given triangle into 3 equal parts. And here is triangle and we need to do 3 equal parts. So first one we can do the center point over here. In this way we can draw 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now next we can do center point, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3 equal parts we have done. Here also we can do from this angle we can draw a line and this is the equal part of a triangle. 1, 2 and 3. Last one, from here this angle we can draw a line. So 1, 2 and 3. This is also 3 equal part of a triangle. So as you have seen, we have done equal parts, 6 equal parts of a rectangle. Then we have done square, 4 equal parts, and here we have done 3 equal parts of a triangle. Fourth one, State what part of the figure given below are shaded. Now here figure is given. This is called fraction. What we have learned already in grade 4. Now what is that? Total we have to count how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what total are 6 and then we are supposed to write down denominator and numerator. So now 1 which are shaded part 1, 2 and 3. So that we will write over here. Total parts we are supposed to write down, that is denominator, and numerator we are supposed to write up. Now in this figure total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here we can write 9 denominator and shaded part we will write up numerator 1 and 2. So here is 2 by 9. Now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 are total parts. Here we will write 16. And how many shaded parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 will be the numerator and 16 will be the denominator. What we are writing down. Here is the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Total part, equal part, here we are doing. So 16 will be there. And shaded part we will write here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 by 16, that is numerator, 16 is denominator. So now I need to tell you that when total parts are there, suppose one figure is given and total parts we are supposed to write down, that is denominator, and shaded part we will write up, that is numerator. I think you all have understood. The part of the figure given below are shaded, so that will be the numerator and total part will be the denominator. So now next one is 4 by 20. Total 20 boxes are there. What we are supposed to do? Here 4 we are supposed to do violet color. So now 1, 2, 3 and 4 we are supposed to do violet color. Now see, here total 20 is given, here 20, here 20. So this from this 20 we are supposed to color violet, blue and green. So now 10 we are supposed to do blue color. So this will be violet. Now 10 will be blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will be blue color. This will be blue color. Now 6 green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be green color. Okay. So here we have done 3 color, violet, blue and green. Next, here total 12 parts are there. From there we are supposed to do black color in 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have done black color. So I will write over here black. Now 1 by 2 is red. So 12 is there. We have done part 6 and 6. So total 6 we are supposed to do red color. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 we are supposed to do red color. Now 2 by 12. What is 2 by 12? 2 by 12 is 1 by 6. So here we have done part 1 by 6. So here we will do color yellow. So we need to remember that 1 by 2 is there, total 12 is there, so we need to do 2 partition and from that we are supposed to color. Here 2 by 12 is there, so we have done 1 by 6, so part is left 1 by 6, we will do yellow color. I hope you all have understood. Again we will do this in online sessions. Thank you.